Welcome to Wow Elements. Today, we'll explore the Confetti Effects extension. This interactive feature lets you add animated confetti to sections, buttons, images, and other elements in Elementor. It's perfect for celebrations, promotions, success messages, and special announcements. These engaging visual effects help capture attention, improve user interaction, and make your website feel more dynamic and memorable. Let's see it in action. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Wow Elements panel from the left sidebar. From there, go to the Extensions tab and use the search field to find the Confetti Effects extension. Once the extension appears, enable it using the toggle switch, then click the Save Changes button to apply the settings. Keep in mind that Confetti Effects is available as a Pro feature, so you'll need the Pro version of Wow Elements activated on your website to access and use this extension. After enabling the extension, open the page editor where you want to add the confetti animation effect. For this demonstration, we've already prepared a sample layout containing a heading, text editor, button, image, and container element. Start by selecting the heading widget. Then navigate to the Advanced tab, where you'll find the Confetti Effects section. In the same way, select the Text Editor widget and open the Advanced tab to access the same Confetti Effects settings. You'll notice that the extension is also available for buttons, images, and even containers. This gives you complete creative freedom to apply engaging visual effects to different sections of your website based on your design needs. Now, open the Confetti Effects panel. You'll see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable the effect. Once enabled, the confetti animation will instantly appear in the live preview area, helping you visualize the effect in real time while customizing it. The first setting you'll see is the Confetti Type option. This allows you to choose the overall animation style for your confetti effect. Several built-in styles are available, including Basic, Random Direction, Fireworks, Snow, and School Pride. Each type creates a completely different visual experience. For example, Fireworks creates a celebratory burst effect, while Snow generates a softer, floating animation that works perfectly for seasonal or winter-themed designs. Feel free to test each style and choose the one that best matches your website's design and mood. For this tutorial, we'll use the Snow style. Right below that, you'll find the Animation End Time option. This setting controls how long the animation will continue before stopping. You can easily adjust the duration using the slider bar to create either a quick animation or a longer visual effect. Next, you'll notice the Infinite End Time toggle. When enabled, the confetti animation will continue running without automatically stopping. This is useful when you want a continuous decorative effect on your page. Below that, you'll find the particle count setting. This controls the number of confetti particles generated during the animation. Increasing the value creates a fuller and more dramatic effect, while lower values produce a cleaner and lighter animation. The next option is Start Velocity. This controls the initial movement speed of the confetti particles. Higher values create faster and more energetic bursts, while lower values produce smoother and calmer motion. Right after that, you'll see the Spread setting, which controls how widely the confetti particles disperse across the screen. Smaller spread values keep the particles concentrated, while larger values create a broader and more scattered animation effect. To better understand these settings, you can switch the confetti type from Snow to Basic and experiment with the particle count, velocity, and spread options. Watching the live preview while adjusting these settings makes it much easier to create the exact animation style you want. Moving further down, you'll find the Color option. Here, you can enter custom color codes to define the colors of your confetti particles. Adding multiple hex color codes allows you to create vibrant multicolor effects that match your brand or website design. Next comes the shape type setting. This feature allows you to control the appearance of the confetti particles themselves. You can choose from basic shapes, emojis, or SVG paths. Each option creates a unique visual style. The basic option uses traditional geometric shapes. Emoji allows you to use custom emoji characters as particles. And SVG path lets you create fully customized confetti shapes using SVG path data. Depending on the selected shape type, additional customization fields will appear. The scalar option appears next. This setting controls the overall size scaling of the confetti particles. Lower values generate smaller particles, while higher values make them appear larger and more noticeable on the screen. Below that, you'll see the origin setting. This determines the exact starting point of the confetti animation. By adjusting the origin values, you can control where the particles begin appearing on the screen, allowing for more precise positioning and animation control. Next, you can choose the trigger action that determines when the confetti effect will activate. Available trigger options include on load, on view, on click, on hover, delay, and Ajax success. Each trigger works differently depending on the interaction you want to create. For this example, we're using the on-load trigger so the effect starts automatically when the page loads. Finally, you'll find the Z-index setting. This controls the layer positioning of the confetti animation. Higher values ensure the effect appears above other page elements, helping maintain proper visibility during the animation. You can always return and adjust any of these settings at any time during your customization process. Once you're satisfied with the final result, click the Publish button and preview your page. That's how easily you can create eye-catching, interactive, and visually engaging animations using the Confetti Effects extension in WoW Elements for Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.